Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
So today,
This is a clock activity.
okay, so today we are doing a clock activity. I recently introduced this clock to Anaika, where I just have taken a small round cardboard, and it was from somewhere. So after that, I just put two hands on this. So a clock has how many hands, Anaika? You have to tell it. Yeah,
2 hands.
two hands. Actually, it has how many hands? Actually,
It has 3 hands.
Actually, it has three hands, but Anaika is learning about only two hands. So I just told her, because she only asked me the question why the clock that is hanged on the wall, it has three hands, and why there are two hands. So we need to explain the child that okay, when we grow up we can learn more about it. So now only she has learned. I have made her learn about this two hands, and she enjoys this activity because of this clock. Okay, so Anaika, I will now put the hands, I will put the time, and you will tell me what is the time. Okay, so now tell me what is the time.
It's 4 o'clock.
Okay, now tell me what is the time.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So generally we have to tell here the child that
8 o'clock.
very good. So I have just taught her in that way. The basic things we just need to tell that this is a clock and how the clock has how many hands, and when the long hand is always at 12 and the short hand is on the dial, like on the numbers, we have to tell that is the time. Here it is.
1 o'clock.
Here it is.
Here's 2 o'clock.
Here.
Here's 3 o'clock.
Here.
It's 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
5 o'clock.
Very good.
6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
So at 12 o'clock both the hands are
And the 12 o'clock.
12. At 12. So now I will tell Anaika to put a time. Okay. Anaika, put 6 o'clock. How to do 6 o'clock?
I can't find the.
Acha, small hand is
Small
here.
hand.
Okay. Small hand is here.
What did I hide it in the big hand?
Okay, it was hiding just. Make 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Okay. So now Anaika has to make the 5 o'clock.
Always the small hand has to go to 5 o'clock.
And the long
5
hand? No, this is not 5 o'clock. The long hand, where should be the long hand?
The long has to be to this.
12. And the short hand? Now 5 o'clock. I want 5 o'clock. Very good. Always remember the long hand should be at 12 and the short hand will rotate. Okay. So now I want Anaika to make 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's like a standing
No,
line.
but it is not 2 o'clock. For making it 2 o'clock, what should you do? Where should the long hand be? Yes. And where should the short hand be? Yes. So in this way, by telling you,
this start hand should be
this
in
is long
12.
hand.
Long hand should be in the 12 and the short hand always has to move.
Okay, short hand moves, long hand also moves, but whenever it is in this position, like on the numbers, and it is at 12 and it is on any of the number, then that is the time. Okay, if it is at 2 o'clock, it is 2, if it is at 2, it is 2 o'clock. If it is at 3, it is 3 o'clock. Okay, so in this way, we can just
3
make them,
o'clock.
the introduction to time. So in order to introduce her to time, I just use this method.
Mama.
After completing the clock activity, we can give an adjacent worksheet related to it so that they can revise it. Anaika has already done this worksheet, so she can do it easily. But slowly, with regular practice, they can understand how to do that. First, you should introduce the clock, and then you can give this kind of activity worksheets. So here I have told her to only draw hands. So Anaika is going to draw hands. Anaika, where is the long hand should be? What is the time? First, you read. What is the time here?
5.
Then. This is
0.
no clock.
O'clock.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Okay, so where will be the long hand and where will be the short hand? Draw the long hand and short hand. Yeah.
First short hand.
Okay. Yes, very good. And long hand?
This side.
Yeah, very good. So the long hand will be there, right? Now what is this time? Can you read it? What is this time?
7 o'clock.
Very good, sir. Where will be the short hand? Good job. And where will be the long hand?
Here.
Oh,
On the 12 clock.
okay, 12. At 12, huh? Very good. So as kids love to do this kind of drawing and all this. This is also considered as a drawing for them. So they love enjoying this activity.
I love enjoying this activity.
As you can hear that. Okay, what is this time, Anaika?
9 o'clock.
Okay, so please can you draw?
Is to be quiet, I'll draw.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Very good. Good job. The lines can be little here and there, but that's okay. Yeah. So now, Anaika, we will do this later on. Can we do this one? You have to write the time here. So can you write here what it will be? What is the time here on this clock?
Huh?
What is the time here on this clock? What is the time here?
Here is
Huh.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. Can you write here 2?
2.
Huh?
First 2.
Yes, first 2 because
No,
it's 2 o'clock.
1.
No, it's 2. So we have to write 2. Huh? Very good. 2.